2019 Kia Optima air filter, cabin filter replacement. I'm going to start with the air filter. Basically your air box right here. You're going to reach underneath, pull this front part up. It has these little locks on the side. You got to push these down. Push these down. They're not hard to push. And then you just grab the centerpiece here and pull this straight out. Alright, that's easy. I got my new one here. This is a Kia one. Here's my part number. This is from the dealership. Let's go ahead and put this in. Just slides right in, and then your locks should be facing this way. And you just clip them back up, and then you shut your lid. Air filter is done. Alright, then you want to go to your cabin filter. It's a little more to do. You got to pull this plunger off your glove box on the side. Obviously you have your glove box open, and then on the inside of your glove box there's these little notches. You turn this, push the glove box up a little bit to take the pressure off of it, and then you could just remove it. Same for the other side. You just kind of push up, turn this, and then take it out, and then this will drop. There's your cabin filter housing on the right side. There's a little squeeze tab. Pull that, pull this out. And then your cabin filter is right here. We're going to pull this out. Alright, straight out. And then take note on the side there's an arrow that says airflow with it. It's pointing down. Make sure when you put your new one in, you put your arrow down. Got my dealership one. That was my part number. It comes like this, has like an instruction booklet. Here's that arrow I told you about. We're gonna put this in just like how the other one was. If you have an aftermarket one, just look for the arrow. We'll slide this in like that. We're gonna put our little faceplate on. You gotta put this tab in on the left side first. Put that tab in. Oh, it has to go this way. It has to go this way with the straight lines facing outwards, and then you push this in, listen for the click, and that's it, guys. Put this back in. Basically what you do is you just put it in and you twist it. It should lock. If it pops off like this, then you didn't lock it right, so make sure it's locked good. You twist it kind of backwards on that side, and then on this side you twist it forward to lock, and it should hold anything you got in there. Let's put this plunger arm back on, and that's it. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.